Staying on football, there is still uncertainty as to where Reggae Girls captain Khadija Bunny Shaw will be playing her club football next season. The striker, who is the hottest property in the women's game at the moment, is into the final year of her contract with English club Manchester City. More in this report.
This season has been Khadija Bunny Shaw's most successful one in the English Women's Super League. She was named WSL Football's Player of the Season after an impressive campaign. The 29-year-old also won the Golden Boot for a third successive season after scoring 21 goals in 22 appearances while helping City claim a first WSL title in a decade. She won the Football Writers Association Women's Footballer of the Year award early in May and was named City's Player of the Season on Sunday. But while that is happening on the field, it's different off it, as her contract ends in the summer and there's no clear sign that she will remain a City player.
I mean, for me, like I said, the type of player that I'm calm, and in terms of focusing what I do on the football pitch, I think my performance speaks for itself, and I think at the end of the day, I can control that. I can't control whether I stay at Manchester City or I move on. You know, it depends on what the conversation we have with us and the club, but my performance is, like I said, what I can control.
But as Shaw awaits the final decision, she made it clear that her heart is with Manchester City, even as WSL rivals Chelsea remain favourites to sign her on a free deal.
Yeah, I've always said that Manchester is my home. They've welcomed me from the beginning, and I think now that we're at a stage where now we're reaching our objective, winning trophies. Hopefully, like I said, we'll see at the end of the season. Obviously, we have a big final to come, and then we'll see what happens after that.
Meanwhile, Shaw has another chance to add another title to her collection this season when City face Brighton in the Women's FA Cup final on Sunday.
Definitely excited. I've been playing at Wembley once and I really enjoyed the experience. Obviously, I lost, but hopefully we can turn that around at the end of the month. But yeah, I've enjoyed my time playing at Wembley, and it's been a while, so to get back there is something that I'm looking forward to.
Shaw, who signed for City in 2021, is the club's top scorer in 4 of her 5 seasons there and holds the record for the most hat-tricks in WSL with 6. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.